Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a very hot minute since I've last posted a video on YouTube. So welcome back to my channel. I took a long break and I thought that this was the perfect time to get back into YouTube since we're all pretty much at home anyways. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a jean declutter. As you can see behind me, I have a ton of jeans that I want to go through, declutter. I actually did this last year and it's gotten to a point where I still can't shut my drawer. I have a couple pairs of jeans that won't fit, so they are constantly rotating between any surface area in my room. So I just want to take the time to declutter through them and try them on and get rid of a few pairs. So if you are interested in watching my jean declutter, then please keep on watching. I am going to start incorporating more videos like this. I also want to incorporate some DIY videos. I have a lot of great ideas for my videos in the future. So I'm excited to get back into YouTube. It's been so long and I just recently wanted to jump back in and I'm really excited about it. So if you would like to see my jean declutter and you are looking for something to watch during this quarantine, then please keep on watching. I'm so glad to have you guys back and I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so these ones I'm kind of on the fence on just because I don't like where these fall on me on my waistline. They're a little more on the low rise side, which I'm not a fan of. These are American Eagle jeans, they're size 6. I'm putting this in the maybe pile only because I don't have a ton of black jeans, so I'm not like 100% sure I'm going to get rid of them yet. So far, I'm keeping a ton of jeans, as you guys can see. So we're going to put these in the maybe pile and then let's continue to try these on. So these ones are on the maybe as well. Actually, I'm leaning more towards like donate giveaway pile just because I'm not crazy about the fit on the waistline. Again, they're kind of gappy back here, so I just know that whenever I wear these, I'm like constantly tugging at them. And also, funny thing about these is I bought these are Express jeans, and then I ended up buying a second pair because I didn't realize I already had these. So I have 2 of these, I think. This is maybe. So let's keep going. Express. I think these are a size 6. They're a little big on me. I'm not in love with the fit, but they're brand new, so I am not going to get rid of them or donate them. I think I'm just gonna try to shrink them, and yeah, I'm just gonna have to deal with it. So these are actually men's jeans, and I originally bought them to turn them into cutoffs, but I actually liked the casual loose fit, so I'm keeping them as jeans. I just wanted to throw that out there, that these are in fact men's jeans. Last one. Okay, that wraps up the jean try on. Thank you guys so much for watching. The last pair of jeans, which is the pair that I'm still wearing, I am on the fence about these just because they are a little tight on my calves. So I don't know, but they're really like nothing I have. So I'm gonna keep them for now. I only decluttered 2, which wasn't my goal. My goal was 3, but considering that I did do this last year, I guess that's still pretty good. I will, I think, be able to fit them in my drawer this time, and that was the main goal. So thank you guys for watching and following along as I Actually, this kind of turned into a jean try-on video, so thank you guys for watching. I was gonna say as I declutter, but I got rid of two. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set those aside and donate those. There are other couple like declutter videos that I want to do, so I'm gonna wait until I finish those videos and then just donate all of that. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. As I said before, thank you so much for watching this video. Also, give me ideas of what content you'd like to see in future videos. I'm really trying to incorporate more lifestyle, fashion, DIYs, decor, whatever. So let me know down below what you'd like to see, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.